Hello, my name is Kayed Lakhia, and I'm the Director of Hazard Mitigation here at FEMA. I'm here today to talk with you about our Hazard Mitigation Assistance programs. A disaster could destroy a community's infrastructure, damage buildings and homes, and severely hurt the local economy. Mitigation is the effort to reduce loss of life and property by lessening the impact of disasters. For mitigation to be effective, we need to take action now, before the next disaster, to reduce human and financial losses later. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has several programs to reduce disaster losses and protect life and property from future disaster damages. As part of the Hazard Mitigation Assistance programs, funding is available to communities for eligible mitigation planning and projects. Several examples of hazard mitigation projects include elevating homes so that potential floodwaters flow underneath the structures, building residential and community safe rooms that provide safety from strong winds such as tornadoes, and clearing trees and brush from around homes to reduce the impact of wildfires. To determine the best long-term mitigation plans for a community, many people need to work together. Representatives from state, tribal, territorial, and local governments work with community leaders, emergency managers, local businesses and organizations, environmental groups, faith-based organizations, and schools to determine the best long-range mitigation plans. FEMA's goal is to achieve universally accessible and inclusive emergency management practices. As appropriate, factors for universal design should be incorporated into hazard mitigation assistance projects to serve the whole community to the greatest extent possible. FEMA's hazard mitigation assistance programs work with leaders of the state, tribal, and territorial governments, and not directly with businesses and homeowners. If you're an individual business or homeowner who is interested in mitigation assistance and you live in an area with a presidential disaster declaration, you may contact your local tribal or territorial government's emergency management agency and request that your community apply for mitigation funding on your behalf. For more information about FEMA's hazard mitigation assistance programs, please visit fema.gov/hazard-mitigation-assistance. Thank you.